Here got another eBay package. This is not from AliExpress. I know it's eBay because I know what's delivered and not, so it's from Oxy. Just for like a single package, but if it's multiple, I probably wouldn't know. So, you gotta flip it over because the shipping label's printed on this plastic bag. Like, I don't want to show you that. So, move on. I got Velcro branded pads. These I'm gonna attach the sensor panel to the gaming PC case. This is industrial grade, so it should stick very well and not come off ever. Like, this is really nice. It holds up to 10 pounds, which is very nice. High quality. And I probably only like $7 for this. This is really worth it. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.